it's Kylie. Today I'm going to show y'all a quick and easy tutorial for these car appliques. They're very quick and easy and they're so cute to do in all colors. I've done them in 3 colors. I made these car appliques specifically to go on a baby blanket that I'm making, and I'll put a link below for the baby blanket pattern and stuff so you can see all that. But real quick and easy, I'm going to show you how to make these. You can see in my hand, I didn't measure them, so I can't tell you exactly how many inches they are. They're probably about 4 inches, probably about 4 by 3 inches tall, probably approximately. So not too big, but they're really quick and easy, and we'll get right into it. So to get started, I will be using a 5.5mm eye hook and then just a worsted weight yarn. I'm using I Love This yarn. For those of you that wouldn't know, and this color that I'm using here is orange. So to get started, I just made a slip knot and we're going to chain 13. So I mean, they're really quick. They don't take, once you get them started, they really don't take no time to make it all. Oh, there's 13. And what we're going to do is we're going to single crochet in the second chain from our hook and each chain across. Going to do that, and when you finish this round or this row, you should have 12 stitches across. So you should have 12 stitches, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so row 2 through 4 will be worked the exact same. Row 2 through 4, you will chain 1, turn, and single crochet in each stitch across. So I'm going to work rows 2 through 4 and then show y'all how to continue. Okay, so now I've completed rows 2 through 4 and we'll go on to row 5. Row 5, you will chain 1 and turn, and you'll single crochet in that first stitch, and then the second stitch you're going to do a half double crochet, and then I'll show you one here that I've already done. So in this round we're going to be making our opening for our windows. So to do that, we will, after we worked our half double crochet, you will chain 6, 6, and then we're going to skip 4 stitches. So skip 4, and that 5th stitch you're going to work a triple crochet, run twice through, 2 at a time. So there we go, and then you will chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and then you'll skip 4 stitches, and then that very last single crochet you will work a single crochet into, like that. So it's starting to look more like a car. It kind of almost reminds me of a boat at this point, if this was more of a triangle shape, but it'll look more like a car as we go on. So to continue, I will work single crochet all the way around it. So what I do is I chain 1, and we're evenly going to single crochet around the sides of the little car, working 2 single crochet in the bottom corners so it won't curl up. So here's the corner. I'll work 2, and then I go ahead and hide my little tail as I go down. Go ahead and like weave it in while I'm single crocheting down around the edges. There's 2 right there in that last stitch. And then we'll go up the side. And then right here. When you go up the front of it, because this is the front of your car, I work 2 single crochet also in that first single crochet stitch going up, so it kind of rounds, the corner there. So 2 crochet there, and then on this part I just single crochet around the whole deal, and I work I have 6 stitches here, so I work 6 single crochet here. I single crochet in this treble stitch, and then I'll work, there's 5 stitches here, so I'll work 5 single crochet down this side. So, because if you get too many, it'll bunch up and it won't look right, and it won't lay right. 5. So there's 6. I do in my treble crochet or triple crochet, and then I will do 5 single crochet down this side, just around it. Get that through. And then I will slip stitch into this. Once you do the 5, slip stitch into that very first single crochet that you've done. Slip stitch, and then I like to leave a long tail to use to sew it to whatever you're going to sew it to. So I would probably leave like an 18-inch tail. That's probably about what I do. So I want a good length tail that's less ends to weave in. And I just pull that through, and then I will show you how to make and attach the tires. Okay, so now I'm fixing to show you how to do the tires, but you can see now how it's starting to take on more of a car shape. I have one tire here made that if you'll kind of lay it on top of it, you're like, oh, yeah, it's starting to look a lot more like a car. So I will show you how to make the little tires. I'm still using a worsted weight yarn just in black. And to make the tires, I'm going to make a magic circle or magic ring. So to make a magic circle, what I do is I get my yarn. My tail is going to be to the left, in my left hand. So here's the tail, and here's the working yarn end. So I take that, and I'll wrap and make like a circle. And what I'll do is I'll stick my hook under the ring, and then grab that working yarn and pull it up. So then after I make my stitches, I can just pull that and close the circle. So then to secure that, I will chain 1, and I'm going to work 10 half double crochet in this magic circle. Magic ring, it's the same thing, it's just people call it different. Then I can tighten it up a little bit if I need to. So I'm going to do 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, a little bit more, and here's 10. You pull it tight, pull it into a circle. I slip stitch into the very first half double crochet, slip stitch, then you can cut your yarn, leave a long tail to use to sew it, and then you will knot that and weave this middle one in so it won't come undone. And I will show you how I attach the tire for the car, because I've already got one here that I've weaved the end in on. So to attach the tire, I place the tire up about, so here's the row, or that's the row, single crochet. So if you go about 2 rows up, I'll place it about right there. And so you see, you should have to line it up. Another one will go about right here. So about 2 rows up, I just push the needle through and hold it. And then pretty much I just go through and just stitch it on. Probably perfect, but it works. And then I'll take it here and I'll look. I just stitch it on like so. So, and then I will just knot the yarn, weave in the ends, and that is how you make a car applique. Be sure and check out the pattern that I've made specifically for these for a baby blanket. I'll link it below, and happy crocheting, y'all!